If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2020 Jeep Cherokee Limited in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, bright side roof rails, LED tail lamps, dual bright exhaust tips, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 38,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 66808.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.